Alright, so here we have the newest addition to the collection at Fort Worth Aviation Museum. The McDonnell Douglas / Boeing AV-8B Harrier II. Bureau number 165357. This actually flew in last Tuesday, at least according to, when I recorded this video. So without further ado, let's get a closer look at the aircraft. It did fly in here and we still have the engine installed. They decided to leave it in. It would be too much of a pain to try and remove it. So here's the front set of fan blades for the Pegasus engine. Got your main gears down here, along with the ammo pod on this side, and on the other side we got the gun pod section. Fuel tank. And of course the world famous Harrier jump jet nozzles. If I can get around this fuel tank, get a better view of these. Here's the rear one. There's of course the right-hand pogo on the back of the aircraft. This was recently retired from VMA 231, which I believe is the Ace of Spades. Here you got the top side countermeasures dispensers. For the right hand side, there's more on the left. And then on the bottom here, we've got the bottom countermeasure dispensers. And something I found interesting, ignore the tic-tac-toe graffiti, something I found interesting was looking at the data plate on here. Data plate says Harrier GR Mark V, which is actually the British designation for the early model Harrier IIs that British Aerospace made. Here we got the tail fin with the bureau number. Horizontal stabilizers. Along with some other stuff. I don't know what any of this does because I'm not a Harrier guy. And here's the left side of the airplane, complete with the left-hand upper set of countermeasures dispensers. Here's the left wing, left pogo, and over yonder we've got the in-flight refueling probe, currently in its retracted position. And we do have a ladder here, but I'm not going to climb that. A lot of the cockpit is still in there. So before I get this done, let's look in here again. There's the front set of turbine blades. And of course, there's the gun half of the pod system. And the main gear again. Alright, if you got any questions, leave them in the comments section. Flight Sim Historian out.